And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, I'm showing a data from 2015 where you can see that it is moving in a particular zone. Okay, and if you look at this particular zone, there is a zone. Whenever there is a zone breakout happen, we have seen a sharp fall come and a sharp rise. You can see at this particular level. Okay, and after that sharp fall and sharp rise, there is again a form of a zone, and again if there is a sharp fall and rise, that is where we have seen a good movement in the price of silver. Okay, silver mostly move out in a zone, and whenever it moves out makes a sharp fall and sharp rise. Okay, and now it is trading at around $23.125, and this is the volatility we have seen in the silver for quite some time. Okay, and this is from March of 2022 till now. We have seen that it has created a good high as well as a low. Okay, high at around 26 points and a low below at a level of 17.515. okay, and this is the range where the price of silver has moved. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a continuous fall as we have seen in the price of silver. Since 3 weeks we have seen there is a continuous fall. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, that you have to understand here is that $26 is a weak resistance, so keep that in mind. If the price comes close to this particular level, chances of going further upside is on a higher scale. But suppose if the price fall below this particular zone, then the next support coming at around $22.67. okay, that is where, and if it goes below this particular level, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, so now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what you can see, as I've already explained you, that if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and if you follow full video, that is where you will understand how each and every resistance and support, how it supports and act as a, that means how the price of silver goes up and down. See, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are low, because it has already broke this particular support. As you can see at this particular level, that it has already moved below a particular support, so chances are high that suppose if the price sustain, then it has to go above a level of $23.263. okay, this is the level it has to sustain, and if that sustain, then chances of going towards a level of 23.715 will be there if the price sustain $265. and if the price goes above that particular level, then we can see a level at 24 and above are already being weak resistance, so chances can be high. If the price sustain a level of 23.75, it can go towards a level of around $24.009, which is already being tested here, so chances are high it can go further high, and a probability that it can touch a level of $24.33. okay, and if the price move up that particular zone, we can see it can touch a level of $24.647, and then this level is also being tested here twice, so chances of going further high will be there. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. Once the price move over level of 24, we can see it can go further high, and a probability is very high it can touch a level of 25 also if the price sustain this level. Okay, now as I've already explained you, that if you look at this particular from a 1 year pattern, you can see that there is a good volatility we have seen in the price of silver, otherwise it is moving in this particular zone. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because market is always uncertain, you have to understand here is that always set a limit for yourself, always trail your SL, so that your profit should be saved and your capital, that is very important, where the most of the traders lose money. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of around $23.165, but if it didn't sustain, then chances are very high it can go towards $22.617. now it is trading at around 23.121. chances are very high if that level didn't sustain, it can go towards a level of 22.617. If the price fall below that particular level, it can go towards $22.311, $22.311, and if that level move further low, then yes, a probability is very high it can go towards a level of 21.645. but before that 22.31111, then we can see it can go towards a level of $22.026, and if that level move further low, then chances of going towards a level of 21.262 is there once the price fall below 22. Again I repeat, if the price to sustain this level, chances of going towards a level of 22.892 will be there, and from there we can see level of 22.672. and if the price fall below this particular zone, because this level we have not seen since 2 months, so chances of touching a level of around 22.240 is there, then we can see it can fall further low, and a probability of touching 22.026 is there. Price fall below that level, then the chances of touching 21.606 will be there, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $21.303. okay, and if that fall, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. And understand, always trail your SL and your profit, so that you can save your profit as well as your capital. That is very important. So workshop also where I teach how to overcome all these fair fall trading, and yes, I teach trading psychology also. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,